Hello again, Speed Jonas. So barrel turning is a process on a lathe where we would find our true center on our barrel or on our work, and we would turn it down to its contour, and its contour would be its shape, like the shape of this barrel right here on this 3030 to this AR-15's contour barrel. See the difference? See, like this one's just a taper, and the AR-15 obviously has a smaller diameter down the barrel. What this is for, I've never looked it up. But and we all know what they're shaped like underneath the handguard here. I actually should have taken it off. Poor presentation on my part. Cool. But that's a contour, or the profile of a barrel, I guess you could call it too. I've heard it called profile. Brownells uses the word profile a lot when you inquire to them about any kind of information and use the word contour. They always bounce right back with the profile. So I would say that you can say it's also the barrel profile, though I thought that's what it meant, how it was sat on the rifle once it was, not just the barrel itself. Moving forward, the process of turning this barrel in a lathe entails us having to find its true center, and then if we're going to hog it up and move out quick and take material off quick, we would turn it up to a high rate of speed and do about 10 inches of the barrel at a time, turning it down, because it though the high rate of speed does keep it cooler, it's still not good on its true center of its wobble once it gets out past that and it starts getting the barrel warm. And we don't want it to start doing the pencil effect on us, because that's not just an optical illusion once you're spinning something. But we would, to check this wobble, we would take a heat treated steel bar and put it in the lathe jaws and make sure it's turned true, and then we're gonna make sure the compound rest is set at about 60 degrees while I'm turning in reverse. And then once our center's been turned and is in position, we're going to check our height of our cutting edge on the lathe tool. And then to get true cut, you must be center. But I prefer to put it in the lathe chuck and turn it about 10 inches at a time, just hogging it up. But getting into your different metal types and your functions, actions, effects that they produce, or the actions they produce consistently, and what we've known them to be, like a 416 stainless allows you for more precise cuts, whereas like a 4180 chromoly would be like for full auto, and it keeps its rigidity a lot stiffer at hot, while it's hot. It's for like full auto and stuff like that. So I mean, it's made to get hot. But the stainless allows for more precision cuts, like a 416R will allow for more precision cuts while manufacturing. Though it said that it could get stingers, where it's I don't know, it's got to be in like negative 20 to 60 below zero, I think. 40 below zero. And stingers are I'll explain those later. But you're gonna get better wear characteristics from the stainless as compared to the chromoly, but it's all got on how much carbon's in there, how much vanadium's in there, as compared to the other metals in the mix. Like a 4140 carbon has got like 0.40, and like a 4150 has like 0.50 carbon content. But that's just the more carbon you got in it, the better the wear, the more better your slowing them down of your wear is going to occur. However, like with the stainless though, you can fire like the stainless and it's going to wear like evenly. Like that's why more match precision shooters want to shoot with that. So if they were going to contour their barrel, or they wanted to, I don't see where they're going to bring a used rifle in that doesn't have a contour barrel unless it has like a bull barrel on it already. So I'm running into that conundrum with the question so far with the assignment, but because like every barrel I know, whether it's a taper or whether it's like this A2 or whether it's like, I mean, all of them. This used gun it's already there, right? So, and I've never seen too many just bull barrels on guns. When I did, it was usually small, like 22 Magnum, 22 match little plinkers to play with, or 17 HMR to play with. But yeah, that kind of how the meta works, and kind of like a crash course breakdown on your lathe operation. I would have to tell the customer that it contouring if we're going to contour this used barrel, I would just buy one, because especially if they want to try to like flute it or something like that too, because they're getting up into money that where they could have bought it, just bought one, and it's just simple as that. Parts replacing. All right, night.